Okay, good morning students. Today we will be discuss about exercise 8.4 similar triangles. So, seventh question. In a triangle ABC, O is any point in the interior of a triangle. Here, OD is perpendicular BC, OE is perpendicular AC, OF is perpendicular AB. Show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Second one, AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So ఈ టూ మనం ప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Given in a triangle ABC, here ABC is the triangle, O is the any point in the interior. O is the any point in the interior. Here O is any point in the interior of a triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular BC, OE is perpendicular AC, OF is perpendicular AB. So from triangle, so join AO and join BO and join CO. So from triangle AOF or AFO, from triangle AFO is a triangle. AFO is right angle triangle. Angle F is the 90 degrees. We have using by Pythagoras, and hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two side. Here base height to hypotenuse. Here OA square is equal AF square plus AF square plus OF square. So OA square, OF square transforming in the LHS, OF square equal to AF square. So equation 1. And second one, from triangle OBD, here OBD is a right angle triangle, and so hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two sides. So hypotenuse OB square, here OB square is equal BD square plus DO square. So OB square minus OD square transforming in the LHS, here BD square. So BD square is equal OB square minus OD square. And next one, from triangle OCE, OC is a right angle triangle, right angle at E, and sum of other two sides is equal hypotenuse. Here CE base height hypotenuse. So OC square is equal OE square plus CE square. So OC square minus OE transforming in the LHS, here CE square. Therefore CE square is equal OC square minus OE square. Equation 3. So from adding 1, 2, 3, adding equation 1 plus 2 plus 3, here LHS here LHS AF square, BD square, CE square. So here AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal RHS OA square minus OF square plus OB square minus OD square OC square minus OE square. So from equation 1, OA square plus OB square OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal AF square plus BD square minus C square. So in this equation, here AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal. So have taken first positive number side equation OA square OB square OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square. So LHS is equal RHS. So therefore OA square, write down OB square OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square is equal AF square plus PD square plus CE square. So first equation 1 complete. So OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal AF square BD square plus CE square. And second one, from equation 1, OA square plus OB square minus OC plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal. Here AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal OA square plus OB square plus CE square minus OD square minus OE square OF square. So OA OE, here OA minus OE square plus OB minus OB square OA square minus OE square, and here OA square OE square equal to OA square minus OE square is equal AE square plus OB square minus OF square equal to BF square, OC minus OD square is equal to CD square. So therefore AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal A square plus BF square plus CD square. So hence proved. So once again repeat. Given ABC is a triangle, OD is perpendicular BC, OE is perpendicular AC, OF is perpendicular AB. So show that proof OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So in a triangle ABC, O is any in the interior of a triangle point from AFO is a right angle triangle. So by using a Pythagoras, so the given is a right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras, OA square is equal AF square plus OF square. So OF square transforming in the RHS, here AF square is equal to OA square minus OF square. Written in the LHS is equal RHS. So given equation 1. And second one, OBD is a right angle triangle. So using the Pythagoras, so same second equation or third equation. We have adding 1, 2, 3 equation. Sum of the equation చేస్తే మనకు ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అనేది వస్తుంది. ఈ ఫ్రమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 నుంచి సెకండ్ కూడా సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సో ఏ వైర్ అటాచ్డ్ to vertical pole of a height 18 meter 24 meters long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pupil should the stake be driven? Show that the wire will be tucked. So in a triangle ABC, height of given pole height of the vertical pole, given height of the vertical pole. So height of the vertical pole AB equal to 18 meters and length of the vertical pole wire. So length of the wire AC is equal 24 meter. Find base BC value. Here the length of the height of the pole and long length of the pole and base of the pole. So base equal to BC value find out is. So in a triangle AB, right angle triangle ABC, so right angle at be 90 degrees. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is equal AB square plus BC square. Here AC value 24 square, AB value 18 square, and find base value. Here 24 into 24 multiplication, and next one 18 into 18. So 24 into 24 576 and 18 into 18 324 BC square. 24 into 24 4 4 is 16 8 9 2 4 is 8 2 2 is 4. So 576. So 324 transforming in the RHS, here BC square. So 324 subtraction 252 equal to BC square. So squaring on the transforming in the LHS BC value. So find 200. So 252 find a square root 63 into 4 is equal BC. Here root 4 value 2 root 63 equal to BC distance. From the base of the pole should be stake the driven should the wire will be tanked. సో ఇక్కడ మనము ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడకు ఎంత వైర్ అవసరం అవుతుంది అనేది ఇక్కడ 2√63 అనే వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 9th 10th మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, వాట్సాప్లో పంపించేసేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.